In this video, we're going to work on double crochet, which is 1 stitch taller than half double crochet. We're going to start by working into the 4th chain from the hook on this foundation chain row. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, we're going to work in there. Yarn over first for double crochet, into the top half of the chain, yarn over and come back out. I'm going to do another yarn over into the first 2 loops. Now you have 2 on your hook. 1 more yarn over closes up the stitch. So that's the first double crochet stitch. We're going to work into the next chain right here. Yarn over, in, yarn over, come back out. Yarn over through the first 2, yarn over through the last 2. You're going to continue like this, working into each stitch to the end of the row. So we're getting to the end of the row here. We've got 2 more. This is the last one. And at the end of your row, you want to do your turning chains. So 1, 2, 3 for double crochet, and then you're going to flip your work. Starting to work in the second row, you're going to work into the 4th chain from the hook, which will line it up right on the edge here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 is this first one right here. Same thing, yarn over, except now you're going to go underneath both loops of the previous row. Yarn over, come back out, yarn over through the first 2, yarn over through the second 2. Again, yarn over into the stitch underneath both loops. You can turn your work and look at the top there. Yarn over, bring it back out, yarn over through these 2, and yarn over through the last 2. And continue working that way. Here we've worked about 2 1/3 rows of double crochet. So again, we'll pick it up. You're going to yarn over under both loops, yarn over through the first 2, yarn over through the next 2. In your pattern, double crochet is going to be abbreviated DC. There's 1 more here, don't forget that last stitch. And then again, your turning chains, 1, 2, 3 for double crochet, and flip your work. Again, we're going to work into the 4th chain here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Brings you right there. We have 1 more here, but we're just out of yarn. And that'll be a nice little swatch of double crochet.